Hello and welcome to another video where we're going to be looking at this Harry air conditioner. I just installed this today in here, mainly due to the fact that the 8000 BTU air conditioner we got here still works great, but uses 800 watts of electricity. And what is it? Let me guess. 6.5 amps. Okay, so this uses a lot more power. Now the benefit of this one is digital. But over here, there's a hole in the wall where there was already previously that bigger 1200 BTU, which is no longer operational. Sadly, it quit on me. But this is a Harry air conditioner. This thing only uses about 400 watts power compared to the 800. But also, this is only a 5100 BTU air conditioning. More than enough for in here. As you can see, this thing has been on for quite some time now, and that's the temperature status of the outdoors. We got 71 degrees in here, over 57 degrees humidity. So, yeah, it's just a Harry air conditioner, pretty much. A filter, I don't like this design. Well, actually, it's not that bad when it works right, but they slide out of the side. This one could use cleaning. I didn't clean it. I just got this yesterday. So, here's the compressor. Oh, it actually stayed for once. Yeah, that's probably not good for it, but that's the compressor. The other one was really big, but this one works good in here. That stupid GE, you might remember the videos of it. Well, I think 2 or 3 years ago, I did that video on that stupid, crappy GE air conditioner. Well, I didn't ever like that thing, so I refused to use it for the most part. But I got this air conditioning unit here. It works good. And in here, there's junk everywhere. It is inside of here, so it is very hot, but it's just a Harry air conditioner. That's how I have it mounted up in the wall. Works pretty good in there. This is very hot coming out of the back. Now, part of it is it's pretty hot in here because of this, but it doesn't hurt the air conditioner. In there, we do have water coming out. You do see where it's been coming under the ground. Now, I should drill a new drain hole in this somewheres, but I'm not going to. So I got this one, and up here in the bedroom. So here's the outside of the old 8000, which I will be using when I'm not in there at night or over the weekends. But here, we're not going to go inside. This is a 2023 Denali air conditioner. Look in there. It's brand new inside of that unit. Brand new. Coil barely has any damage. So I previously had a 5200 in there. I put that 5100 in there, and that uses 100 watts less power than the old one that was in there, and has a higher fan power speed type thing on it. Stupid weed there. It has better fan, and this in here, we do have, it feels nice and comfortable in here when you first come in. Now the humidity, it'd be nice if that was down in the 40s, but I keep opening and closing the door, so it was 70 in here until I shut it off for a minute so I could hear video. But yeah, It's a good air conditioner. I can't figure out what year this is. It's probably 5 years old maybe, but it's still a pretty new air conditioner. The other one is a 2023. This one does use 5 watts more than the other one, but I like the switches here compared to the 2 dials. I do like these switches. Now I don't know why we can't have a energy saver switch on these to shut the fan off when the air conditioner itself shuts off. It could turn off the fan too. You know, like this one here has this energy saving button right there that you can turn off or on. I don't know why these ones like this can't have them. The old one did that used to be in here. It had an energy saving. It was in the dial you turn. It said fan cool on energy saver mode or fan cool just normal operation. Yeah, I don't know why we don't have them on these. Else I'd use this all the time and take that one out. But I needed somewhere for this one. That other GE, I'm going to be getting rid of it. I have someone that wants an air conditioner, so I'll give them that one. It's a good air conditioner. I just don't like it. I think it's a pretty piece of junk. I just don't really like it. It's not a great air conditioner, and I don't like it. But this one here, I did have to clean this one. That other one, I did not have to clean, so that was good. But, that's going to be it. I'm not going to shut this off because I need it on. It's 84 degrees outside. But, yeah, this would be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.